I've spent a lot of time working with insurance companies, battling against them, negotiating against them, sometimes working harmoniously with them and coming up with really good agreements. I've learned that there are 5 secrets that insurance companies will not tell car accident injury victims about, and in this video, I'm going to share those 5 secrets with you. The first secret is that you have the right, it is the law, that you are able to go and take your car to a repair facility of your choice. As long as it's a licensed repair shop and that they are certified to be able to do car repairs, you have the right to pick where you want to go. The second secret is that in Nevada, you are able to recover for your damages, whether those injuries were pre-existing or a brand new injury. Oftentimes, the insurance company will point to the fact that you had some sort of injury before, whether it was a previous sports injury or a previous car accident injury, and say, well, we're not going to cover any of your injuries now because you'd already been hurt before. But this is simply a misstatement of the law. Whatever injuries that you incur because of the car accident that you were just in, those are recoverable damages, whether you had pre-existing injuries or not. The third secret is that accident reconstruction results are inherently unreliable. The insurance companies will point to an accident reconstruction experiment that they did or an expert that they hired did and say, well, based on those results, we don't really think you could have been hurt all that bad. But the bottom line is that it's almost impossible for them to put together the actual events and the actual sequence that caused the car accident. For instance, it's all just an estimate of what the speeds were, how many feet the car slid, what position your body was in at the time of the accident. Because there are so many variable factors, the reliability of those results are very questionable, and just because they have a point of view on something or they have an argument about something doesn't mean that it's actually true. The fourth secret is that insurance companies will actually use surveillance. And people hear stories about this, but they might not think that it's actually true. Nowadays, it's quite common. The insurance companies have a lot of resources. They have a lot of money that's available to them. And if they can find a way to minimize the amount of money that they have to pay on a claim, they're going to try to do that. So that might be showing you doing something that you weren't supposed to do, or maybe even just having a video that, although it's taken out of context, it may be inconsistent with the injuries that you're claiming. Nevertheless, they're going to try to use these videos to show that you're not as hurt as you're saying that you are, and that they don't have to pay as much in settlement value as that you're asking for. Finally, the fifth and last secret is that when you make a claim against your uninsured or underinsured motorist coverage benefits, that it does not affect your rates. Pursuant to Nevada law, insurance companies are not allowed to change your rates just because you had to make a claim for the coverage that you paid for. These are the 5 secrets that you need to know about after being injured in a car accident. And that's why it's really important to work with an attorney who knows the insurance company as well and can help you guide you through the process. If you've been injured in a car accident in the Las Vegas area, click the link below. I've put together a page on my website where you can enter the key facts about your case, and you'll get a free valuation of what your case is worth.